If Instagram has removed your content, it is likely due to a violation of your community guidelines or terms of service. Here is a clear guide to help you address the issue and possibly recover your content. First of all, you have to understand why your content was removed. Instagram usually sends a notification or email explaining the removal. Common reasons include violating community guidelines, example hate speech, bullying, explicit content, or harassment, posting copyright material, and spamming or using automation in violation of platform rules, so check your notifications and email for specific details. After that, you can appeal the removal. If you believe that the removal was a mistake, open Instagram, go to Notifications tab in the top. There you will see the notification about the removal and select Appeal. Provide a clear explanation of why do you think that the content should be restored and submit your appeal. Wait for Instagram to respond, which can take a few days, and if you don't see an option to appeal, move on to the next step. That is, check the Instagram's community guidelines. Familiarize yourself with the Instagram community guidelines to understand what is allowed. So for that, you have to go to Settings first, scroll down and go to Help, then go to Privacy and Security Help, and review all the rules to ensure that your content complies and avoid violations in the future. If you know which post was removed and believe that it may have unintentionally violated the guidelines, consider deleting or editing it. Go to the post and choose to delete or edit it. If the post contains sensitive or inappropriate material, removing it may help prevent further penalties. And you can also review your account for other violations. If your account has multiple violations, it may face additional restrictions. So for that, you can check the account status, and if your account is under review or restricted, you can follow the guidelines provided to avoid further issues. And if the problem still continues and you can't resolve it through the appeal, you can go to Settings, scroll all the way down and go to Help, and then go to Report a Problem. Clearly explain the issue and request assistance with reinstating your content. You can also reach out to Instagram through their official Facebook or Twitter accounts if needed, and avoid further violation. To prevent your content from being removed again, you can follow the Instagram's community guidelines closely, review your post for content that could be deemed inappropriate or rule-breaking, and avoid using third-party apps that might lead to spammy or harmful activities on your account. And after submitting an appeal or contacting Instagram, it may take time for them to review the situation, so be patient and refrain from repeatedly contacting them, as this may delay the process. So by following the simple steps, you can address the issue, understand the reasons behind the removal, and take measures to prevent future violations. And if Instagram has removed your content, it's usually due to the violation of Instagram's community guidelines or terms of service. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.